Birdie39 channel, welcome. Right, so I bought one of these arch lip roller things. Got a problem with it already. It's this body of it is too long. If it was shorter, I'd be able to go more, roll it up and then increase it down to come this way a little bit. It's already too long, so the sort of angle I've got to start is just coming straight back. It's not just hitting the edge of my lip, it's not pushing it up. So anyway, I'm gonna try a little bit more with it, but failing that, it's only a bit of sheet metal at the end of the day, isn't it? I'll start banging it. I'll start it off with the hammers, and then hopefully then I can roll this up. But watching videos, people doing it, everyone seems to get a heat gun, some sort of heat source, and then soften the paint so the paint doesn't crack. I'm not worrying about that because I'm not only rolling the lip, I'm going to try and get this whole section coming out. And so yeah, a bit of panel beating at the end of the day. Never done anything like this before, so this video could be a what not to do to your car. Hopefully it turns out to you can do this to your car. Have a go yourself. Alright, see what I mean? Because of the length of this, and then that goes up quite a lot to pivot it back. That's the most I can push it up, which is basically pushing it straight into it. So not doing much. So I'm going to start off with the hammers and yeah, then work on it with this. I should get it with first. Got the mallet. A bit harder than I thought. Oh my god, that ain't enough.
Cardboard.
Okay. If you're doing this, hold the top of the arch, takes the vibration out, and the hammer has a bit more effect. Starting to get a bit of progress now. So I'm making progress. It is bending up, but it's a lot harder work, a lot more physical than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so this is the arch untouched on the other side. This is like before. And after. So I've done that. I think normally that would be complete. And yeah, if you don't heat it up, paint does come off. Don't know if you can see that. Paint chips off. So that's almost folded up, touching, but it's not enough for me. I was hoping I could flex the whole thing right out. But yeah, bodywork much harder than I thought it was going to be. So really squeezing this hard, putting all my strength into it. I'll do a little bit more, but I'm not expecting for that to fold out. I naively thought I could get that to come out right out with a bit of hammering and using this and stuff, but yeah, not possible with this and my hammers and just my bare hands. So looks like it's going to a body shop to get what I want. It didn't break, just that nut came off there. Anyway, so tighten that back on. It's a nice little moment to stop because I'm getting tired and a little bit disappointed I couldn't fold that up as much as I thought I could. Could never get the angle I wanted on the roller, not quite working. So anyway, I'll stop now, and I bought these 20mm spacers, spring spacers, so the car will sit 20mm higher apparently, and that might enable me to drive the car the wheels on, and then I can take it to the body shop and then tell them with the wheels on exactly what I want the arch to do and everything like that. So anyway, it's going to be a benefit if I can actually drive it with this wheel on. So I'm just going to test fit them. Let's have a look. Doubtful. okay. Might be just about right. I mean, is that enough to drive it? The suspension is hard, but I might be hitting that over some lumps. Anyway, again, to be continued. Might need some professional help to get these arches sorted.